Hey there everyone, welcome to today's video. It's your YouTube tutor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to solve 74 squared with this simple and new trick I just learned. Follow me as I show you how. So we take our first digit, which is 7. 7 squared gives us 49. We put 49 on one side like this. We take the second digit, which is 4, and we take the square of 4, which is 16. We combine 16 with 49 and we get 4916. What do we do next? We just take 7 and 4, the product of it, and multiply it by the product of the exponent. What I mean is 7 times 4, which gives us 28, by the exponent 2, which gives us what? 56. So now we can write 56 and add a 0 at the end and sum it all up. 6 plus 0 gives us 6. 6 plus 1 gives us 7. 9 plus 5 gives us 14. And we bring 1 here. 4 plus 1 gives us 5. So we can clearly say that 74 squared is 5,476. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next time. Bye bye.